Welcome back to my channel Road Runners. Today we bring you a detailed look at the legendary Toyota Corolla, a name that has been synonymous with reliability, efficiency and practicality for decades. This model has been one of the best-selling cars in the world, loved by millions for its durability, fuel economy and ease of maintenance. Toyota has consistently improved the Corolla with each generation, making it better in terms of performance, safety and technology. The Toyota Corolla first made its debut in the 1960s, quickly establishing itself as a dependable compact car with a simple yet functional design. Over the years it has evolved into a modern sedan with stylish looks, advanced technology and impressive fuel efficiency. Available in both petrol and hybrid variants, the Corolla caters to a wide range of customers who seek affordability and reliability in their daily drive. One of the key strengths of the Corolla is its fuel efficiency, making it an ideal choice for city commutes and long highway drives. The hybrid variant takes it a step further, offering excellent mileage with lower emissions, making it an environmentally friendly option. Toyota has focused on improving the engine performance, ensuring smooth acceleration and responsive handling, which enhances the overall driving experience. Comfort and safety have always been a priority for Toyota, and the Corolla is no exception. The latest models come equipped with a spacious and well-designed interior featuring premium materials, comfortable seating and advanced infotainment systems that include touchscreen displays, smartphone connectivity and navigation. Safety is another area where the Corolla excels, with Toyota Safety Sense offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking and blind spot monitoring, ensuring a secure ride for both driver and passengers. In terms of design, the Corolla has come a long way from its early boxy shape to a more aerodynamic and stylish exterior. The latest models feature sleek headlights, bold grills and sharp body lines, giving it a sporty and modern look. Whether you opt for the sedan or hatchback version, the Corolla manages to stand out in its segment with a refined and contemporary appearance. Toyota has also focused on making the Corolla easy to maintain with widely available spare parts and a reputation for reliability. Owners can enjoy peace of mind knowing that their vehicle is built to last with minimal maintenance costs. Many Corolla owners report trouble-free ownership even after years of use, proving why this car remains a favorite among buyers worldwide. The driving dynamics of the Corolla have also seen significant improvements, making it more engaging and enjoyable to drive. The suspension system is tuned to provide a comfortable ride while maintaining stability at high speeds. Whether navigating through busy city streets or cruising on highways, the Corolla delivers a balanced and smooth driving experience. The steering response is precise, allowing for easy maneuverability in tight spaces. Toyota offers the Corolla in multiple trims, allowing customers to choose a model that suits their needs and budget, from the base variants that provide essential features to the higher-end models that come with premium touches like leather seats, sunroofs and advanced driver assistance systems. There is a Corolla for everyone. This versatility makes it a popular choice across different markets, catering to both young professionals and families alike. Resale value is another strong point of the Corolla. Thanks to Toyota's reputation for reliability and durability, used Corolla models retain their value well, making them a smart investment for those looking for a dependable long-term vehicle. The demand for pre-owned Corollas remains high, further proving their lasting appeal. Another highlight of the Corolla is its commitment to eco-friendly technology, with hybrid variants leading the way in fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. Toyota continues to innovate in this space, ensuring that the Corolla remains a competitive and sustainable choice for environmentally conscious drivers. The transition towards hybrid and electric mobility has positioned the Corolla as a car that not only meets today's standards but also looks ahead to the future. With each new generation, Toyota refines the Corolla, making it more stylish, comfortable and technologically advanced, while staying true to its core values of reliability and affordability. Whether you are a first-time car buyer, a daily commuter or someone looking for a practical and long-lasting vehicle, the Corolla remains one of the best options in the market. Its reputation as a no-nonsense car that delivers on its promises has made it a global success and a name that continues to inspire trust among drivers everywhere. At Road Runners, we always bring you the best insights into cars that matter, and the Toyota Corolla is a car that has earned its place in automotive history. Stay tuned for more reviews, comparisons and road tests to help you make the right choice for your next vehicle.